One of the most important components in the user interface is the ribbon. All actions, all functions, all reports that we can use from a specific page are accessible from the ribbon. Now, most users will recognize the ribbon from other applications, such as, for example, Microsoft Word and Excel, and this makes it very intuitive to work with the ribbon. Let's first look at the structure and then at some examples. So again, the ribbon we know from other applications, and all these applications use the same structure. So a ribbon has a number of tabs. Each tab can have a number of groups, and in groups we have actions. And here you can see an example. So this is, for example, the ribbon of a customer list, and one of the tabs is actions. In action we have a group manage, and within the group we have a number of actions. Like, for example, new, or for example, in the manage group, you can see the actions edit, view, and delete. So this is always a structure that we will use in ribbons in the NEV, both in the web client and the Windows client. So here in the web client, you can see that we already have a role center ribbon, as we call it. So here in the role center ribbon, you can see that there's one tab, actions, that there are a couple of groups, new, payments, reports, and setup, and that each group has a number of actions, like, for example, creating a new sales quote, sales order, and so on. But let's also look, for example, at the items ribbon. So if I click on items, the item list will open, and here you can see multiple tabs. So for example, we have home, actions, navigate, and there is also report. So within each tab we have a number of groups. So if I click on navigate, you can see groups such as availability, assembly, production, sales, purchase, warehouse. And then within a group we have the number of actions, like, for example, prices, line discounts, and so on. And of course, if I would like to enter prices, I can go to the navigate tab, the sales group, and there click on prices. So you will see that in the Windows client we will use the ribbon in the same way. So here in the Windows client we also have the role center ribbon, so with the same actions, the same groups available. And for example, if I take customers and if I open the customer list, also here you will see now a ribbon with different tabs, home, actions, navigate, and report, with different groups like new, manage, process, report, and so on, and with all the actions contained in specific groups.